हेलो हाय फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ अंकित मलिक, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील में आज एक और प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू लेके आपके सामने हूँ, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सुपर लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द गुड़गांव फ्रॉम द पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ एमआर. सो टेकिंग केयर यू टू द जर्नी ऑफ एमआर द क्रिएशंस टुडे, and we will take care of the entire sample, we will take care of the entire project. So this is a 30 feet drop off area of the car if you are coming in the project of ambience creation. So we will take you ahead to the journey of the 3 bedroom and the 4 bedroom sample apartments, and then we can take the journey ahead, what are the features. So अगर आप entrance पे देख रहे हैं, so this is the enter drop off area similar which you found in the Leela hotels and all, with a virtual landscaping on the walls which you are seeing up here, and the tower of the 3 bedroom and the 4 bedroom. In the ambience team, we have one of my friend along with me in our video. So we are taking you ahead. So if you are entering the tower, so you can see the quality of the door while entering the main tower. So it's a totally hardwood door with 5 hinges on the entrance. Totally the grand lobby which will welcomed by the crema cropful marble, with a clear-cut 30 feet height lobby and with the Bose speakers inside the lobby. So we are taking you ahead first in the tower lobby of the 3 bedroom with servant apartment. Ground floor has a beautiful reception lobby of 30 feet clear-cut height with total your lights with total Italian marble finishing of the chroma croffle, with some waiting area also at the ground floor. So if you does not want your guest to be come out in your apartment, so you can wait your guest here in the entrance lobby, which is a clear cut height of 30 feet, and then you can bring it inside your apartment. So you can meet your guest in the club lobby, in the tower reception lobby, and in the apartment lobby also. So we are coming and taking your journey towards the 3 bedroom apartment of 3090 square feet, which is a 3 bedroom plus servant quarter. So ground floor lobby is also totally covered by the Italian marble, and let's take the journey ahead. This is also some waiting area also on the ground floor. This is also the waiting area. Basically, if some guest or maids or someone would come, they can wait on the ground floor also. Okay. So currently the lift is not active because only after the occupancy certificate and completion certificate the lift lobby would become active. So we are going to the stairs on the first floor inside the campus to give you the overall look and feel of the campus of the 3 bedroom. So we are standing in the actual tower. So these are the 2 lifts which you are seeing up inside the tower of the 30 and 90 square feet. So this is the servant quarter which we are showing you here. This is a very big lobby with the waiting area also. So if your guest and someone would come, you can have something chairs and the sitting arrangement like this. We will show you the servant quarter later. We will first take you ahead inside the main entrance of the 3 bedroom apartment having the size 3090 square feet. So you can see the clear cut door height. So it is one of the biggest in size of the clear cut door height, with a very hardwood door with a total Italian chroma croffle marble in the living and dining area. So this is the wooden paneling which you are seeing up from the entrance till the entire. It is a part of the product by default. So there is no changes. So at the main entrance on the left hand side, you have the first bedroom with a clear cut door height of approximately 8 feet. So that is one of the biggest and largest in one of the luxury apartment condominiums. And let me show you the first apartment also. So it is again by the Italian marble, because some of the builders gives wooden flooring in the marble. This is the only first time the ambience had given the Italian marble in all the bedrooms by default. So whether your master bedroom, whether your guest bedroom or your another bedrooms is totally covered by the Italian marble. You also get the wardrobes done up from the ambience side. So it is a fully loaded apartment which you are getting with a very sufficient spaces of wardrobes also. So inside the apartment you are getting the VRV air conditioning, you are getting the Italian marble, and you are getting the wardrobes also inside the apartment. If we look up the specification of the washrooms of ambience creations, so they are also the fully loaded washrooms by default with the super high-end fittings of the Duravit and also you find the similar marble finishing which you find mostly in the Leela hotels inside the washroom. So since ambience and Leela are always together, so you will find the same fitting, fixtures, everything in the washroom also. So let me take you to the kitchen so that you get an idea basically about the size of 3090 square feet, which is a 3 bedroom with servant quarter. So this is the kitchen. So what you get inside the kitchen, you will get the fully done up kitchen with all the upper cabinet, with all the lower cabinets, with the chimney, hob, microwave, dishwasher, fridge, and washing machine with a dryer also. So let me take you outside view of the project from the balcony. So this is the balcony. Your VRV unit is in the balcony, and it is your washing machine, both dryer inside the balcony. See, the balcony also has the Italian marble finishing, and this is the entire campus view and the clubhouse view of the project of Ambience Creation Sector 22, Gurgaon. So beautiful design, fully loaded kitchen with all the fitting and fixtures you are getting inside the ambience of the size of 3090 square feet. And this is the powder room which they had given again in the size of 3090 with all done up. So if your guests are coming up to meet you in the living and dining area, they did not require to use the internal bedroom washroom. By default they use this washroom for the utility. सबसे अच्छी बात है कि द फॉयर इज बीइंग देयर. फॉयर के एंट्रेंस के बाद द लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग एरिया हैज़ बीन मेड द सेपरेट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड and on the right hand side of the project, so the privacy of the entire product would remain maintained. So if any of the person coming outside to have certain delivery or something, and the people sitting in the dining area, so there is no hindrance in between that, and the privacy of the entire living and dining area would remain maintained. That dining area has a well ventilated balcony for proper air ventilation, and if you look up the living area, it has a balcony which is connected with the first bedroom which I showed you earlier. So this is the beautiful living and dining area of the Ambience Creations. This is the second bedroom of the Ambience Creation with a clear cut gate height of 8 feet approximately of the hardwood. Again you find the chroma croffle Italian marble inside this bedroom of the same size. The best part of the ambience project is that they had given cavity and the wardrobes inside the wall, so that the entire usable area of your bedrooms would remain unhindered, and it will be clearly taken care by the ambience. And the wardrobe space is also very well utilized. It is a very deep wardrobe, so all the wardrobes would also be done up by the ambience team, and you will get a fully loaded apartment. This is again the washroom, so you will get the same fitting, fixtures, everything in the wardrobes also. Again they use the same chroma croffle marble in the washrooms also. So majorly most of the builder uses the tiles and such type of work, but since you are looking about the ambience product, you are looking about the luxury and the super luxury product brand from the ambience portfolio, so by default you will find the finishing of the top notch extent. And here we are looking the master bedroom. So master bedroom, maybe you are getting the VRV, you are getting the fire extinguishers. Again your flooring would be of a chroma croffle Italian marble, and you have a very well lit balcony, and outside balcony you have the total virtual landscaping inside the entire project, covered by more than 800 trees. So the entire campus from the balcony can see only the green view in the entire society of a rectangular plot. Here you see the entry ramp. So the car will come from outside, it will directly go to the basement, and it is the first residential project in the Delhi NCR which has 3 levels of basement. So if your visitors would come, they also go directly to the basement number 1, and if you are the resident of this project, you can have the parking in the basement number 2 or basement number 3 by default. So I am showing you the wardrobe area of the master bedroom. It is totally of the L-shaped wardrobe area of the master bedroom with fully done up. ये सारा आपको done up मिलेगा. You don't have to do anything. Then your washroom is also fully done up of the master bedroom with all the fitting, fixtures, high-end brands, valuation, and all that. So this is also the glass separation which you will get inside the master bedroom. So this is the overall look of the size of 3090 square feet of master bedroom. So we have shown you the two bedrooms, we have shown you the guest bedroom at the entrance, only the servant quarter is left. So we are also showing you the servant quarter in this product, so you will get an idea. It is interconnected with the kitchen. So now I am taking you, there are only two floors in 3090 square feet, and if you are taking the size of 2700 square feet of a 3 bedroom, they have the 4 to the core. So this is the servant quarter which they have done up. They again put the Italian marble also in the servant room, so that you can use it as a multi-purpose room. They have the attached washroom with the servant quarter. Again they use the same marble finishing in the servant quarter also, and it is interconnected with the balcony of the kitchen. So the kitchen balcony has connected with the servant room washroom. So अगर हम बात करें for the size of 3090, so 3090 is one of the most premium unit of this project with the 2 lifts inside the project and a total 2 apartments of 3090. One is on the left hand side and another is on the right hand side. So now we have already shown you the 3+S of 3090. Now we are entering in the tower lobby of the size of 3976 square feet. So it is the tower lobby entrance for the 4-bedroom apartment. It's a grand entrance lobby with a clear-cut height of 30 feet. It's similar concept which they have made it on the hospitality of the Leela. The clear-cut waiting area, the clear-cut waiting lounge they have inside the 30 feet reception lobby of ambience creation with a sitting area, total security, everything would be taken care. It's similar concept which you found mostly in the Leela's hotel with lot of greenery, lot of landscape green, lot of chroma crawford marble, which gives you the feeling of entirely the richness inside the product. And you have the waiting area and the different waiting lounges part inside on the ground floor also. If someone want to wait it, some guest would like to wait it inside the campus, then they can wait it here also. So now I am standing in front of the tower lobby of the 4-bedroom of the size of 3976 square feet. This is the servant quarter of the 4-bedroom apartment. Again, the 4-bedroom has the 2 lifts and the 2 to the core apartment on the same level. So this is the servant quarter of the 4-bedroom, again with the same finishings of Italian marble they had given in the servant quarter. Again you have a proper bed of the servant in this size, and then again you have the same marble finishing also inside the servant quarter also. Even the tiles of the balcony are also by the same the marble, and it is connected with the kitchen balcony of the size of 4-bedroom. सामने जो आप देख रहे हैं, that is totally by the clubhouse of which I am taking you later after showing you the entire description. So this is the overview of the 4-bedroom plus servant size of ambience creations. So this is the door height, clear-cut door height of 8 feet, clear-cut chroma crawford marble in the lobby, in the entire campus, in the entrance, everything. This is the same wooden finishing which you are getting, which you are seeing it here at the top. From in the foyer section you will get the same as it is. Again you are getting the same chroma crawford marble inside the entire project. And this is the 1st bedroom which I am showing you here. So this is another the 1st bedroom of the size of 4-bedroom. Then they had given the wardrobes at the main inside the cavity of the wall. They had given the separate wardrobes, and it's a proper bedroom. So again you will get the AC, again you will get the Italian marble in this bedroom with a beautiful and a well ventilated balcony. The washroom also is again the all done up, which you are seeing up here, and with a glass separation. So all the fitting and fixtures will totally by default will be of the high end in this size. Let me take you to the kitchen of the 4-bedroom plus servant quarter. So this is the entire kitchen which you are seeing up here with the total chroma croffle marble, with totally done up of the upper cabinet, of the lower cabinet, of the chimney, of the hob, and this is the exact things which you are getting inside the project of Ambience Creation 4-bedroom. So you are getting a modular kitchen, you will getting a dishwasher, oven, chimney, hob, your wash basin and your fridge also. So this is the view of the outside campus, and this is the clubhouse. So it has been divided into 3 parts. First is the social and active and the business center on the 2nd floor. So I will take you to the clubhouse also. These are the water bodies, the temperature control, swimming pool, lot of greeneries, less greenery. The superstructure of the project is already ready. It is a ground plus 20 story structure of the entire campus. A lot of landscaping work is also on. It is a very well connected to the near to Udyog Vihar, near to airport. We'll show you the different distance and the connectivity part after showing this apartment and after showing the clubhouse also of Ambience Creations sector 22. This is the another room which they had given it at the entrance, which you can use in the multiple ways. You can use it as a puja room, or you can use it as a store room, whatever the way you want. Then again, after entering the foyer, they have the beautiful living and dining area. So this is, you are seeing the clear cut height of 11 feet, and it is an 8-seater dining area which you are seeing up here. And these are also the cavity where you can design your whatever the way you want. This is a big window which you have the look of the landscape green, of the outside green from the window of the living and dining area, because most of the units are either the green facing or either the Aravali facing. So this is the dining area, total 8-seater dining area. Again, you see a lot of glass work has been done on the paneling part of this size, and in front of this you have the dining area which have the beautiful balcony attached with it. So you can have the multiple 8-seater sofa also here as per your requirement, as per your demand, and it is of a very big size. It is very spacious living and dining area. So the 4-bedroom of Ambience Creation, having a size of approximately 4,000 square feet, is very spacious and it's worth for it. First bedroom they have created while coming inside the main foyer, and the rest 3 bedrooms they have created on the right hand side of the project, making a segregation of, if your guest and someone would come, then they can come on the first part and see the balcony, see the width of the balcony. It is a very big balcony which is of 20 feet approximately, 26 by 6 feet, and it's very big, connected to the living and dining area and with the another bedroom. If you see, the landscaping work is already on. In front of me you can see the big football ground inside the campus, and the different activity zone, the different sports activity zone, like your football court, like your volleyball court, half badminton court, everything would be there inside the campus, scattered through the entire campus of 17 acres of the project. And the total finishing work is on. Within the time of 9 months, this project is going to be handover, which is nearest to Delhi, nearest to airport, nearest to Cyber City, nearest to Udyog Vihar, nearest to the all upcoming facilitation, the people working in the Delhi or people living in the Delhi. So Delhi people needs the connectivity from Delhi to airport in the Gurgaon nearest point. So this is the only nearest point, sector 22 in Udyog Vihar Ambience Creation. Then this is again the powder room, and you are getting the same fitting, same fixtures, same marble designing, and all the high-end brands inside for handling your guests inside the project of Ambience Creation. So the first bedroom which we saw is while entrance through the foyer in front of the kitchen, and the rest 3 bedrooms are segregated in front, left hand side and right hand side of the project. So let me take you inside of the second bedroom of the 4-bedroom apartment to show you the finishing, to show you the designing. Again, you will get the chroma croffle marble inside the project. Again, you will get the separate wardrobe space inside the project with fully done up wardrobes you are getting inside the project. And this is the way they have designed it. So you can design the way you want. The total VRV you are getting inside the project, and the washroom is also fully done up washroom you will get inside the project of ambience creation. So let me show you the view also from the balcony of the second bedroom. So this is a beautiful clear cut view. Beautiful landscaping is already on. The club superstructure is already ready, and most probably within the 9 months the entire project is going to be hand over the delivery. This is the landscaping work which is already on inside the thing, and all the towers have the proper sunlight inside the apartment, and a very big and spacious balcony they have provided inside the project. So we have saw the first bedroom, we have saw the kitchen. Now we are going towards the another bedroom, the third bedroom. So in the third bedroom also you will get the very good and very spacious sizes. Again, the Italian marble in the bedroom. You will get the fully done up fittings and fixtures which you are seeing up here. This is the washroom which you are seeing up here, and they have done the good part that they have made the wardrobes in the third bedroom inside the main washroom. So most concept, this is the wardrobes which you are seeing up here of a good and the decent size inside this with a very well cavity also. So let me take you ahead in the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom which you are seeing up here with the same fitting and fixtures of the chroma marble, and this is the overall look of the master bedroom. So master bedroom is again fully done up, all done up with a well ventilated balcony with the wardrobes at the entrance they had been given. You can see the washroom also is fully done up with all the high-end fittings, the cubicle, the glass paneling, the shower, and they had given again the wardrobes inside the master bedroom, inside the washroom with all the high-end fittings and all the high-end brands, and a very spacious master bedroom. They have just designed the way they want. Plus they also have their own personal balcony of the master bedroom, which again enjoy the view of the green, the landscape green. So there is a proper sunlight. It's either you take the green facing or either you take the club facing. So the entire project is designed in such a way. By default, the balcony of each and every tower faces some of the activities area, faces some of the green area. In the total campus of 17 acre and 800 apartments inside the project. So it is a very low density product. अगर हम क्लब की बात करें, क्लब के एरिया की बात करें, तो it has a total area of 65,000 square feet, which is one of the highest in the entire Gurgaon in such type of products. So now from here ahead, I will take you to the journey of club, and then we take the things ahead. So now I am standing in front of the clubhouse area of the ambience creation to showcase you what is the 65,000 square feet of the clubhouse as the amenities for you. I am standing in front of the main road which is parallel to your national highway, where you comes from the Trident Hotel. On the right hand side, if you go to the Atul Kataria Chowk, and if you take the left hand side, you will hit the Unitech Info Space, and from there you will reach the Trident Hotel, Oberoi Hotel, and this. So अगर मैं बात करूँ nearby commercials की, what are the nearby commercials are there, I will come on that also. So the people coming on this project will go directly to the basement. So there is a zero vehicle movement on the ground level. So the club is dedicated into 3 equal parts: ground floor, first floor, and second floor. The ground floor being dedicated to basically of the gymnasium, of the multi-purpose hall where you can throw the party, a get together, the co-working spaces, and a beautiful temperature controlled swimming pool. So let me take you inside the product. The first floor is basically dedicated to the multi-cuisine restaurant maintained by the Leela Hospitality, and the indoor sports amenities. And on the third floor they have the total business centers guest room. They have the 18 guest room, in which 17 they are using currently as a guest room, and one guest room they have designed it as on the doctors on call for any emergency. Along with that, you have the conference room, you have the business centers, you have the meeting room, and you have the 17 guest rooms inside the clubhouse of Ambience Creation. So let me take you to the inside of Ambience Clubhouse. So अगर हम बात करें, it is one of the most super luxury clubhouse in the entire Gurgaon portfolio by the total club area of 65,000 square feet. This is an entrance and the waiting reception, beautiful waiting reception lobby of a clear-cut height of 30 feet. So you have most of the amenities on the ground floor of the clubhouse. They have dedicated to the co-working areas also on the ground floor if you're working for the office after this pandemic. So this area they have redesigned into the co-working office area on the ground floor of the clubhouse of the club ambience. This is the area which is one of the biggest in size, which they have dedicated to the gymnasium. So it is one of the most and the biggest gymnasium which they will bring out inside the clubhouse of Ambience Creation. So it will be taken care and maintained by again the one of the best gym chains. Name will be revealed shortly. And in front of this you have the swimming pool which remains temperature controlled throughout the year. So you can enjoy the lap pool, you can enjoy the temperature controlled swimming pool, because बहुत कम प्रोजेक्ट हैं गुड़गांव के अंदर which has the temperature controlled swimming pool. Either they are the super luxury like your Central Park Resort, Tata Pramanti, or the DLF Aralia Magnolia Camellias, where they have the bigger club. So this is the pool area which we have, and this is the another big area on the ground floor for the. So this is a coffee shop basically. This is one of the biggest coffee shop. So ground floor has been dedicated as the most active part of the clubhouse of Ambience Creations. So they have dedicated this area to the coffee. Beautiful landscape trees, beautiful landscape areas which they have on the ground floor. So this is one of the, you can again understand the abbreviation similar to the 5-star hospitality chain. You have this much of the coffee shop. They have dedicated this area. Bakery shop and coffee shop. So bakery shop and coffee shop, this area looks like that it is one of the biggest multi-purpose hall also inside the campus. So this is the overall view of the ground floor of the clubhouse of the Ambience Creation. We have shown you the gym, we have shown you the co-working spaces, we have shown you the coffee and the bakery shop on the ground floor area. And this is the lobby height. You fall in love with these because they have the clear-cut 30 feet height. So it gives you the similar feeling that you are entering inside the Leela Hotel, because this project is by default designed and taken care by the Ambience and the Leela in a joint venture. This is the powder rooms on the ground floor. I can show you this also so that you can understand what type of facilities they are providing inside the washroom also of the clubhouse on the ground floor. So this is the overall powder rooms they have on the ground floor. The clear-cut height of 30 feet. This is again the guest washroom. These are the lifts which are being goes to the first and the second floor, and this is also the staircases where you can go to the multi-cuisine restaurants on the first floor and second floor. So all this thing is under development. Within the 9 months time duration, you will get the entire clubhouse of Ambience Creation operational and fully functioning. So this is again the clear-cut height of the 30 feet of the lobby of the clubhouse of Ambience Creation. And let me take you inside the multi-purpose hall, which is one of the best multi-purpose hall where you can throw the parties or get together of more than 300 families on the ground floor. So this is the multi-purpose hall which we have on the ground floor of Ambience Creation.